We are on the boat to Greece! Woo! Morning guys, today we'll be heading down to the Amalfi coast. It's supposed to be the most beautiful road of Europe. Arrived at the Amalfi coast. Scenery is amazing, but as for the driving, not so much. After some cruising along the route, I found it to be too crowded to get a hotel here and I started to get annoyed. So I decided to go straight to Pompeii instead, where we will stay for 2 days to visit Vesuvius and the Pompeii ruins. This has been going on for the past 5 minutes. People backing out. Must be intense to be a bus driver here. Good morning, we are in Pompeii right now. I'm gonna take mother. Good morning, yesterday we arrived in Pompeii. I'm gonna go get down, have some breakfast, and then we're gonna have a look at the ruins. We are in the amphitheater right now. It's the place where the gladiator games were held. It says this place could hold 20,000 people. So that was the city of Pompeii. Going back to the accommodation now. In a few minutes the bus will come pick me up and I'll be going to Vesuvius. On the bus to Vesuvius. Walking up to Vesuvio now. Still quite a long walk from the parking area. I think about half an hour if you push on through. So they just drive up this road with Fiat Pandas. That's amazing. We are walking down the volcano now. Going home, making a little route, and tomorrow we'll be heading west, east, towards what is it called? Brindisi. And from there we'll be going to Greece. So it's time to leave Pompei. We're going to Matera. It's going to be a 5-hour drive. I really fucking hate driving here. I really hate driving here. This is disgusting. Stop for a minute, have some lunch. Looks like I'm going to a storm in a few minutes. Woohoo! They're all just loudmouths, because when I step off the bike and want to pet them, they just run away. Bye. Oh no. Oh really? Yeah, shoot the bad guy away. I didn't film this. I barely made it up the hill. It's type of loose mud, loose sand, I don't know. And, I lost traction and my back tire was going everywhere. Right now we are in Matera, and I do not regret coming to this place. It's the English guy I've met, Steve. He told me to go to this place, and it's well worth it. So it's time to leave Matera. Going to Bari right now, and around, what's it called, 7:30 we'll be leaving towards Greece. It's going to be 17.5 hours on the boat, but we have a private cabin, so it's going to be all good. No sitting in the stinky clothes. So let's go. Looks like steady grass, but it's all very, very soft. I have barely any traction. well. As I said, it's all very loose. My tire won't spin anymore. It's full of mud down there. Got the ticket. Let's go.
Can I see your ticket? Oh, 6. Put yourself on.
Yes, orange means KTM. We are on the boat to Greece. Woo! We are in Greece! Oh, where do I go now? There's no directions whatsoever. Woo! Hello. You need to see this. I'm in Greece! So I saw some people here filling their bottles up with water, and this is water straight from the source. And yeah, they always come here when the water runs empty at home, the drinking water. They come here and fill their bottles, and I asked them, "Can I drink it?" He said, "Yes, it is drinking water, and you will get it when you taste it." And he was right. For some reason, the water is really delicious.
Right? You put because your hands are more clean. What's your name?
Robbie.
Hobby?
Robbie. Yes.
Robbie. You can take off this one too. Okay. Please take this.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
What a lovely man. He came and gave me some fresh nuts. These are walnuts. just came across this memorial at this place in 13 December 1943. The entire male population of Kalavrita was executed here by the German occupiers. Okay, so right now we're at the Varaikos National Park and Geopark. I went up a small road and got to an off-road place, and that led me up to this place. It's scary to me. Being all alone here. There's nobody here. Into the hotel, a place called what's it called? Pretoria. I've ordered gyros now, so it's long awaited. So let's see if it doesn't disappoint. It does not disappoint.